ये नादर भाई आए हैं, ये देख सकते हैं ट्रांसप्लांट करवाया था, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं नज़र आया, जल्द भी ख़राब हो गई है और बहुत परेशान थे। और नादर भाई ये ट्रांसप्लांट जो करवाया आपने और इसका क्या साइड इफ़ेक्ट हुआ और कैसा तजर्बा आपका रहा है, अच्छा रहा है कि बैड रहा है, ये ज़रा बताएंगे दोस्तों।
Assalamu alaikum, my friends. My name is Nadir. I can tell you very frankly and very friendly, I had a very bad experience regarding transplant, and it was. I can tell you one thing that I have gone through lot of wasting of money, and even I have spoiled my head problems. You know, I got a lot of pains. My skin was damaged, and I have to gone through some medication also, and it was a terrible experience for me. And I advise my friends, do not go for a transplant, always go for a non-surgical hair treatment, which will give you a better look and no harmful, no side effects. And I can give you assurance, because I was trying to go through a long painful headache from last 2 years. I was trying to get rid of this kind of problems because my skin was very much damaged. You can see the result. There was a zero result. You can see my skin was damaged, my head was damaged, and I have gone through a lot of headache. Always, I have to take a lot of medicine to get rid of my pain. So finally I came to Dr. Arshad. He is the very expert and very master of non-surgical patch units in Gujranwala Hair Club. So I'm sure I have come down to a very right place, and I'm going to get back to my original look, which I was having last 10 years back. And I'm sure this non-surgical hair patch unit will be very suitable. It will increase your personality, your face look, your hairstyle, and it will give you a very young look, at least 5 to 10 years young look you can have if you are going to non-surgical hair patch unit from Dr. Arshad. He is a very kind, friendly person, very cooperative person, and the maintenance here, environment here is very super, and you can feel that you are at your friends, with your at home like that, and you will feel fantastic. After patching this non-surgical unit, you will get a very beautiful look. I can assure you, please, you consider to come Dr. Arshad and meet him. He will give you more advice. He got a lot of varieties, lot of kinds of hair patch unit, different varieties of the hair units, and I can assure you, once you come here, you will go 100% satisfaction with the result of hair non-surgical hair unit from Dr. Arshad. And I am sure from myself I can recommend anybody who is problem with hair loss or hair treatment, please come to Dr. Arshad, Gujranwala Hair Club. He will advise you and he will give you the best protection result. I can tell you one more thing, because before I went for the surgical transplant, I was having more hairs. I was not like this. I was not like this. But after I went to the surgical period, I came to know that I have lost my original hair also. It was not a very, the whole area. It was just, I was getting bald from a little side here, around one. But when I went through this surgical transplant, I lost my more hairs, and it was not regrown. And I got a very bad experience going through this transplant. See my skin, from front and from the back also, it's all damaged, and I was very uncomfortable, and it was a very bad reaction on my skin, and I have to go for at least long time. I have to go for a medication. See, you can see my hair and my this skin also different colors, and it's not look very natural. So I don't advise anyone go for a transplant or a surgical. Please go for a non-surgical. It will be very easy maintained, and you will feel very relaxed, no harm, no side effects, and it will give you a natural look. And this is the right time. You can decide about your boldness. You should go to a right treatment, right hair patch, and you should come to Dr. Arshad, and he will advise you according to your hair kind and hair variety, what kind of surgical, non-surgical difference, you know. If you go for a non-surgical patch, it will be suitable for your skin and no damage, no headache, and it's very easy to maintain. Once more, I would recommend you to come to Dr. Arshad Gujranwala Hair Club and get, if you want to become a more young, more beautiful look, please contact Dr. Arshad Gujranwala Hair Club. I have gone a lot of places regarding their handling non-surgical patch also. But what I found here with the Dr. Arshad Gujranwala Hair Club, they have a lot of varieties of non-surgical patch, you know, and you can select according to your hair nature, you know. It will be a very, very matchable patch for you, which looks more natural for you, and nobody can recognize that you are putting up a non-surgical hair unit. So what I recommend you, don't go to any unprofessional places where the people will spoil your skin also. You will lose your skin and your hair also. Just please, I request you, consider with me Dr. Arshad Gujranwala Hair Club, and you will come to the right place, right maintenance, right choose of hair patch unit. I used to travel, and whenever I go in Middle East or Gulf countries, I didn't find the people, they are maintaining non-surgical hair patch very nicely. They don't know. They are just keeping non-surgical patch on your head. There was no good maintenance, there was no good hair colors, and they don't know to maintain. Important is how you maintain your non-surgical hair unit, you know. And it's very easy. Once you come to know, you can maintain yourself also. And this can be guided by Dr. Arshad, who is running this project long time back. He got a very vast experience in this field, and he will suggest you, he will guide you how can, even you are traveling, how you can maintain your non-surgical patch unit even while you are in traveling around the world. So please, I have come down here. I'm very much 100% satisfied with his maintenance, with his variety of the different non-surgical patch, and I recommend you to come to Dr. Arshad Gujranwala Hair Club, and I'm sure that when you go back from here, and you can see later on, you can see also when he put me a non-surgical hair unit, how I look. I used to travel around the world. I used to travel all over Pakistan also. I used to go different places for hair patch maintenance, but I never found anyone. I never found any suitable person who give you 100% maintain good result and give you a satisfaction about his maintenance and repairing and whatever. So I came to know through website, I came to know Dr. Arshad in Gujranwala, that he is running this office and this non-surgical hair patch unit office. So I came to him, and I'm telling you one thing, that I'm very much satisfied, and I'm very happy because whenever I comes here, he gives me a very good warm welcome. He's very friendly, just like brothers, and I recommend also because he got vast experience in this field, and I think he is the topmost non-surgical hair unit company here in Pakistan. I recommend in Pakistan or out of Pakistan, if anyone would like to go for a non-surgical hair unit, please contact Dr. Arshad. I am sure that you will get a 100% response. Thank you very much. And later on, you can see, after he put a non-surgical hair unit on my head, you can see how my look will be changed, how I look like, more younger, and I'm sure that this is very convincible that you can approach him and you want to look a more beautiful, more younger.
तो ये देखा है, ये काफ़ी रिएक्शन हुई है इनको, सर्जरी में कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ, ये जल्द भी ख़राब हो गई है, पैसे भी ज़ाया किए हैं, ये सारा हिस्सा बाल वैसे कम आए हैं, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, पैसे ज़ाया, कितने पैसे लग जाते हैं सर्जरी में, ज़ाया हो गए हैं तकरीबन.
Different people ask different prices, but I think once you go for one transplant, you will be making 200,000, 300,000 rupees, just you will spend just for nothing. No, any my friend to go for a surgical, I'll advise always go for non-surgical hair unit, which is very suitable, and you can maintain yourself also whenever you go. It's very easy. I will never recommend to go for a transplant. My friends, my name is Nadir Khan. I am from Karachi. I have visiting Gujranwala, the best place for the non-surgical hair units. And I met Dr. Arshad here. He is a very famous personality here in Gujranwala, even in Pakistan. And he got a lot of experience regarding this non-surgical patch. And what quality and variety I have seen with him here in the hair units. Believe me, I never seen around the world this kind of collection of part of the world. No one got such kind of variety which he got at the moment. Thank you very much.